And we're back at Alona Beach. Good afternoon. So, just wanted to come down to the beach. I realized it's 3 weeks into the new year and I haven't even been to the beach to go for a swim yet. So, today is a me day. I stayed at home most of the morning, just did some work around the house. This afternoon, I want to go for a swim and give you guys an update of Alona. Obviously, 3 weeks after the typhoon, things have actually been cleaned up quite a bit. Any fallen trees, that sort of stuff. But the big thing you'll notice is there's no more boats. I'll throw up a drone shot right now while I talk. You can see that there's really no more boats that are around here. What happened is a lot of them got damaged in the typhoon. They got brought up onto the beaches here and a lot of the other places where they were being moored. So right now, a lot of them are being fixed. Luckily, there are a few and people are sort of sharing and renting and there are some dives happening, but there's no more tourists around at the moment. So the dive shops are struggling at the moment. Today though, just wanted to actually go back a couple days and show you some of the relief efforts that I was helping out with. It's the Ubay Relief Drive. Those guys are doing some amazing work, same as a lot of the other organizations that are around. They're helping out about 500 families in the Ubay area. And Ubay is one of the hardest hit areas at the moment. Obviously no power, most people don't have shelter, so they're helping out at least 500 families, maybe more. Every week, once or twice, they're going out with food, medicine, water, all the basics that people really need. And I think soon they're also going to be bringing out doctors to help out and see if they can treat people, or especially people that may be getting sick if they didn't have any shelter or they didn't have enough food, and just helping out as much as they can. So luckily I got to go and help them for a whole morning. It was about 4 or 5 hours of just packing rice. That was my job. I packed rice into bags, but there was rice, mango beans, canned goods, some little snack stuff, all the essentials that people needed, plus medicines and such, like I was talking about. But anyways, I'll keep rolling a few clips. All right, well, I did do some more drone shots. I'm gonna throw a really nice long clip or two of the beach situation here in Alona. To give you some context, it's the afternoon on a Saturday and there's hardly anybody around here. Like I mentioned before, there's no more boats. So why don't we go for a swim? Let's see what's changed under the water. I have heard that there's a little bit less sand. A lot of the sand got taken away. There was a wreck that's actually near here. It's too deep for me to go just doing snorkeling, but it has actually moved. The whole wreck has moved locations, which is just amazing to think of how much power that needed. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. That's enough talking for me. Why don't we jump in the water, check out what we can find. Super fun little swim. I'm glad I got to get back in the water. Alona, it's here. If you want to come visit, I'm sure the locals would love the support. Thanks again. If you want to make a contribution to the Ubay Relief Drive, I'll put that information down in the description. Thanks again for watching the video. See you next time. Bye. Actually, look who I found.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Are you also vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Yeah, same here. Same here.
All right, see you later. Bye.